In the name of Almighty Allah, who controls the whole universe, along with its planets, satellites, living and non living from dusk to dawn. The Almighty Allah is omnipotent who made this universe. Today's chapter is Earth's environment and natural disasters. It is subject environmental science for 11th class students. Today is 18th of September 2020 Friday, and according to Muslim calendar it is 29th of Muharram al-Haram 1442 Hijri. Today's topic for Earth's environment and natural disasters we have chosen is atmosphere. That students, atmosphere is a Greek word which means atmos, vapor, and sephira means sapphire, a layer. So it is the area of air and gas surrounding a planet. The atmosphere is the blanket of gases which surrounds air. It is held near the surface of the planet, near the surface of the Earth's crust, near the surface of the planet. The students which surrounds the Earth. Earth's gravitational attraction. Without the atmosphere, there could be no life on Earth. The main advantage of Earth is that it protects living things from ultraviolet harmful rays. It protects the environment. It protects the flora and fauna from the sun's harmful radiations. It helps to sustain life on Earth. Dear students, the atmospheric gases scatter blue light more than other wavelengths, giving Earth a blue halo. Blue halo when seen from the space. Atmosphere is made up of many layers. Atmospheric layers. There are many layers of atmosphere which made the atmospheric concentrations. So, firstly, we will write here that is troposphere. Troposphere starts from the Earth's surface, from Earth's surface and extends up to 8 to 14.5 kilometers, or it is nearly about 5 to 9 miles starting from the Earth's surface. Dear students, second one is stratosphere. These are the layers of Earth's atmosphere. Stratosphere is just above the troposphere and it extends up to 50 kilometers. From troposphere up to 50 kilometers is troposphere, or we can call it that it is about 31 mile high. The third one is mesosphere, just above it. Mesosphere, and fourth one is, their students, thermosphere, fifth one is ionosphere, and sixth one is exosphere. So these were the layers of atmosphere which made it. I will explain it on the next question. I will give here only some definitions, only some explanations about, not in brief, in very short, as it is related with the atmosphere. So these very layers, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, exosphere, made the atmosphere. So there is another question: what is the composition of atmosphere? Composition of atmosphere. As you know that composition of atmosphere, it is made up of 78% is nitrogen and 21% is oxygen. Dear students, 78% is nitrogen, 21% is oxygen, and 0.93 is oxygen. The remaining 0.04 is, dear students, oxygen, and other trace amounts of helium, neon, methane, krypton, hydrogen, water vapors are in many trace amounts. Nitrogen is Oxygen is used for respiration, and nitrogen is fixed by bacteria to produce ammonia and is used for making amino acids. Carbon dioxide is used by green world of plants for their purposes. Atmosphere absorbs solar winds and cosmic rays. Dear students, atmosphere of Venus and Mars are composed of carbon dioxide with small quantities of nitrogen, argon, oxygen, and traces of other gases. I will explain it. I will repeat it again. Atmosphere of Venus and Mars are composed of carbon dioxide. As you know that carbon dioxide is very harmful gas for living purposes. With small quantities of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and traces of other gases. Dear students, two satellites of outer planets. Two satellites. I will also tell you that satellites are those very heavenly bodies which revolves around the planet. Which revolves around the planet. Moon is our natural satellite which revolves around the Earth. So, two satellites of outer planet possess significant atmosphere. Titan and Triton. Triton and their students, Triton, a moon of Saturn, and Triton, a moon of Neptune, have atmospheres mainly of nitrogen. The variable amounts of water vapor is present on an average about 1% at sea level. 1% to sea level. This is the concentration of water which changes from 1 percentage on an average from the sea level. So, dear student, this was about atmosphere, atmospheric layers, composition of atmosphere. Wama alayna ilal balagh.